AMR Competition Music, Edition 2024.
As usual, you have checked, we have done the three-way right previously, so at that time the same positions actually. Now the position will be more accuracy because the proper angling, we have more added more speakers and everything, and the configuration is 5.2. So in that,
Left.
it's left, but you can hear the sounds, everything over here, the left corner. You keep your face straight like a driving mode. So I'll play it again.
Left.
It will be the left corner. So same thing will be happen on the right side.
Right.
The position where you heard on the left side, it will be the same on the right side. All the sounds, not I mean the bass, the treble, everything will be left corner, right by right corner. So over here, so show your center position where it is. Little bit. This is the center position. Now check this. Keep the hand straight. Like
Center.
everything will be in the line. From the bass, from the treble, everything will be in the line. So next is the left center. So okay, can you show where is left center? Yeah.
Left. Center.
It will be same.
Whereas in three-way, the center was bit off center, a tiny bit, but this is very precise.
Yeah, very precise actually. So show your right center. This, because it won't be straight. It has to be a little bit on the left side.
Right. Center.
Spot on. In this level, the same.
So no level I'll show you next. This is the position of the I mean the left side, the center and everything.
Yes.
So next I'm going to show you the height. No, this song, this track starts from here, begins from here. So from here the bass will be here. Bass guitar will be here. So slowly it will get raised. No.
And now here.
No.
Here, isn't
It will be here. This position. So this bass on the flat, little bit guitar bass. Guitar. More high.
Yeah. This wasn't there in the three-way.
So this is called stage height.
Yeah.
So I have shown you the wide, the height.
But this is awesome.
This the stage height is awesome actually.
Yeah.
And the second part, we have left all the other places. I've showed you all the five little positions, but we haven't checked over here. We haven't checked over here. I'm going to show that now. Before that, I'm going to play this grand piano. This grand piano starts from left. From here, it covers the entire area and ends over there. goes below.
Yeah, here it went.
Yeah. But the tweeter, all these speakers are over there, but it goes till here.
I was expecting it this way, but it
No,
went
no,
this
it
way.
will fall off. Check the saxophone. So this height is because of 5A.2.
Okay, so it's coming from
Yeah,
that,
yeah, just
definitely.
yeah. Check this.
Yeah.
See, it's sitting over here.
This is a different experience. This is a different experience.
You can point out the speakers actually,
Yeah.
not. I mean, at the sound. You can't hear it. You can feel. You can see
No,
the
no, you
sounds.
can see it here, right here.
Yeah.
The saxophone I heard, not even down
below.
but
It's
it's
over here.
exactly there.
It's floating. It's all floating somewhere
Yeah.
here.
But it is stable as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, You can hear the air sound also. So this saxophone pointing on the center, I'll show in a different way. It starts from here and ends there. You can see the saxophone traveling from left to right. See how deep it's going. It goes to down. So I have shown you the wide,
Yeah.
deep, and
Yeah.
height.
See, when we did three-way,
Mm.
right? There was, you used to say we could see the sound,
Mm.
but I did experience a bit of it. But this is very like as if literally a saxophone or instrument is
mm.
floating. You can see it in
So
this
yeah,
way.
exactly. That's why you can see the sounds. Not here, you can see the sounds. I'll show you some more sounds.
I mean, in three-way you said,
Mhm.
but
Okay.
this
But
is in a,
okay, next level. I said on that day because you gave me very less time at that time. I
No,
think
no,
so,
no. But maybe even hearing your ability to isolate sound is a lot more better than us.
Mhm.
But this for you on a common man, we can
Yeah,
really,
yeah, yeah.
really can see it.
So this sound here, here, there. So this is the three portion. Now I'm going to show sound where it's coming from side mirror.
Mm.
It starts from here and ends there. 1,
Mm.
2,
Mm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's on the side mirror. Can you see that?
No, no, no. I mean, it's like no words.
I'll show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, straight 5, 6, and 7. So now your dashboard is stage.
Yeah.
Shall we come to reality music?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is what ultimately we're going to use it. These are the testing tracks.
No, but I mean, this very common people can experience it.
Mm. But lot of works are there. Work actually. It's a concept 5A.2, right? So there are many speakers. We have to calibrate everything.
But this is like precision, precision.
வசீகரா என் நெஞ்சினில் என் கண்ணுறங்கா முன் ஜென்மங்களின் ஏக்கங்கள் தீரும் நான்
You know, the Ford Escort is good, but this is
next level actually. This is to the next level.
Unbelievable.
We hear this the track completely.
So what's the full volume in this in numbers?
35.
35, and this is playing at
25, 26. So what we do is we don't keep more volume in the amplifiers.
No, that's fine.
So this is according to technical. So we don't want to make the amplifier heat.
Mm-hmm.
So when it's cool, it gives you a great sound.
No. I mean, this is.
So that's what we keep.
Absolutely.
We go mostly beyond 20.
Yeah.
Some customers, I just want to explain. Some customers they need volume in the level of 10 or 12. So what we do is we keep the volume high in the amplifier. So when we find out what will happen, if you keep the amplifiers more heat, your clarity will get low.
Yeah.
So keeping the amplifier on the lowest level get more better sound.
You know, these songs I may have heard a million times over.
Really? Oh, okay.
I mean, these songs.
Okay, yeah.
Sort of the songs.
But not in this.
No, this is.
That's why I spent what you spent. It's hitting your bass.
It's like right here.
For this sound, there are many. There's a science behind this. All these things. So mid to first, more speakers. So each and every have a different
But
energy
what,
level.
What is so interesting is like, you know, the one Gene song that really, for precisely, it felt like I'm in the middle of sitting there and
They're playing for you.
yeah.
This is stage.
Yeah. I mean, I've never heard that Gene song like that ever.
The headphone, or you're talking about?
No, anywhere.
Okay, anywhere. Okay.
Anywhere
okay.
in
Okay,
headphone,
industry.
in this one, I mean, you know, it's a complete different experience. Like, you know, the bass is kind of I can feel there when it is just needed. You know, that kind of, because I like deep bass, and but what I like is like this time it's just so compact and precise. It's like it's just whatever comes back. You know, the earlier one there is that ching ching ching. You know, it's like, you know, it was happening there, but the main thing was getting played here. It's just I've never seen that compact, and it just no frequency was overlapping. It was
Overlapping,
such
yeah,
a
everything will be,
beautiful separation.
This is the main thing. It shouldn't overlap.
Beautiful separation.
Yeah, this one.
It's unreal.
So I'm storing this. I'm keeping one preset.
Yeah.
You just have your time. Just hear more songs.
Mm.
If there is correction, just let me know. I'll make according to that. Meanwhile, I'll finish my lunch and come back.
It's just no, it is just perfect. I don't need to.
No, just
do-
even though there
Yeah.
are many collections, it's the Airman collections. You just
Okay.
check all with the sounds.